Hi there and welcome to my channel. If you follow me, you'll know that Marianne Nails very kindly sent me 5 of their stamping plates to review. I've already uploaded 3 videos swatching and reviewing these plates, and this will be the 4th stamping plate, and you'll be able to find all of the information on these plates in the description box below. Featuring in this video is stamping plate number 22, and it's this gorgeous lace inspired stamping plate. For all of my swatches, I've used my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper. I have used the clear head, along with 3 different brands of stamping polish, which are Colour Alike, Hit the Bottle and Nicole Diary. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. There are 30 large style designs, but I've taken 32 swatches. 2 of the images I've taken 2 swatches from, and these are on the 3rd row and the 5th row. You could use them all together. I just wanted to see what they look like on their own. I personally love designs like these. A couple of the designs are also the same, but they're just facing a different way. But there is quite a few that I think would work really well together, but they're all really very pretty. If you've missed any of my other Marianne Nails stamping plates reviews I uploaded last week, you'll find them in my Marianne Nail playlist. And I have to say, I love Marianne stamping plates. They are super quality and beautifully engraved. I really like how these swatches have turned out, and there is quite a few images that, just like the other plates I've reviewed, I want to turn it into full manis. If you haven't tried a Marianne Nails stamping plate, then you really need to. I highly recommend them. So just like the other stamping plates Marianne sent me, I have made 2 manis, and this first one I've used a shimmery purple nail polish, and I've used black stamping polish, and I've used 2 of the images for this mani. I almost added some crystals to the index and ring finger, but I didn't. Maybe next time though. For the second mani, there was again a swatch that I really quite liked, and it's an unusual one for me. But I used a royal blue nail polish and I stamped in silver. I also went matte with this one too, and I love how this looks. It's so unusual for me, but I absolutely love it. Onto some live swatching, and I'm going to be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper and scraper, my painted polish Midnight Mischief, and I'll be placing them onto my lint roller as always, and I'll be taking a swatch from each row. So the reason I chose to use this polish for the swatching was I used it for the purple mani. I wanted to see what it was like with a Marianne Nails stamping plate. Now, it's not a stamping polish, it's a normal nail polish, but it is a 1 coat of black, so super pigmented, and it's also an indie brand. And I have to say, it worked really well. So this just shows you that you don't always have to use a stamping polish for stamping. Some brands of nail polish, like painted polish, work really well. I just wished I had a few more of them. I've really enjoyed these stamping plates and very excited to return to all of them very soon. Make sure you check out Marianne Nails' social media, and I'll leave the links in the description box below, along with their website as well. It's definitely worth a visit. They're putting up some amazing looking plates on Instagram. I want to say a massive thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these plates to review. They are amazing. Thank you for viewing my swatch review video on this Marianne Nails stamping plate number 22. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe, comment below and share. And also please come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.